Hi and welcome back to another review. As you can hopefully see, this is our delivery from Joyabuy. So this is the first time we've used Joyabuy, which is an agent shopping site. Basically, you find the items you want, you order them, an agent will then go and find the items for you. They source them, they then take photos of them, and then they confirm to you that you're happy with them. So the whole process took me probably a little bit longer than what you'd expect, and that was because I made a mistake. When I ordered the trainers, I got them all in the wrong size, so I was not very good on the conversion rates, but hopefully now the ones that I've got here are the correct sizes. The parcel itself, so this cost £38 to post out to me. So the items inside are obviously, using the agent shipping and purchasing from China, it's a lot cheaper. So all in all, I probably spent about £100 in here, including the postage, which is absolutely fantastic. I've got 4 or 5 items. I can't remember now what I ordered. But yeah, I know people were interested to know how much the postage was. So £38. It came yesterday. It took about 3 weeks to arrive from the point that I knew it had been posted out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open this box and I'll go through each item with you in an individual video. I'll try and give you what the price was and everything as well. If you are new to Joyabuy, I've got a couple of videos as well which give you some details on how to use the site. It gives you a spreadsheet which has got some of the products on it as well. So what we'll do then, let's get this box open and let's have a look at the items. Okay, so I've now opened the box and I was just going to give you a quick look at how it's been packaged out to me. So when I did the order, a lot of these are actually trainers. They do offer you the option to ship in the trainer boxes, but that came in a lot more. I think it was almost double what I paid. So what I've had done, as you can see, I've had them taken out of the box and they've just put them in some like cellophane, some plastic. So yeah, it made it a lot cheaper for me. This part of the video is going to be in every one that I release, but I thought it was just worthwhile showing you how these items have arrived. Okay, so let's look at one of the products. So the first one we'll go for is this pair of trainers here. So these are Nike Airs, as you can see. I will take them out, but I'll just give you the quick look around of these trainers. The cost of these ones was £18. I think that's absolutely fantastic, really. £18. I think these trainers retail anywhere from like £100 upwards. So really, really good price. So what I'll do is I'll take them out of this cellophane and then I'll give you the closer look of each one. But they do look quite smart actually, just from this first initial look. So yeah, we'll cut back and we'll have these out. Okay, so we have our trainers out, and as you can see there, Nike Air Force Ones. So looking at the right trainer for a start, you do have a Nike product code or product tag. It's not in English at all. On the inside, you do have the same sort of information that you do get on the trainers that we've purchased from other sites. Inside you get some tissue. One thing I will say, which is a shame, is you don't get like the shoehorn in there, which keeps them in good shape. Because these were packaged in a box, they were quite squashed. So you see these are UK size 7, so for me, but these look absolutely amazing. Air Force One, the Air, all at the front, all looking really good. The grip underneath looks spot on as well. Absolutely love these. I wish I'd kind of got myself a pair now. But that is our right trainer. We'll cut back and we'll look at the left one. Okay, we're going to take a look at the left trainer now. Just move the right one out of the way. And again, you get some of this paper inside to try and keep it in shape. But like I said, it'd have been nice if they'd have put one of those little shoehorns in there. That would have just kept them in a bit of a better shape in the box. Because here you can see, look, where it's been squashed down on the back. See, once it's been worn a few times, the shape will come back into it. But it was definitely pushed down, which is a shame. Check the size in. Again, the night tag, again, should be a 7. US 8, UK 7, so that's good. Slight bend into the material there. Again, I guess that's just where it's been in the bag or the box and it was pushed in. But those will definitely come out once the trainers have been worn. But they are looking outstanding. Absolutely love them. Okay, so that's our first item from the Joyabuy agent buying. I've done a couple of videos in the past just to give you some information on Joyabuy. It's the first time I've used them. Basically, it's an agent buying facility. So you find the products you want, the agent then goes and sources them. They take photos of the products for you, and then they send them over. You confirm you're happy with it. You then only pay what the postage is. The postage on my first haul is £38. And this is for over 4 or 5 pairs of items. So I think there's 4 pairs of trainers and a t-shirt, I think is what I went for. So yeah, all in all, cannot fault that one little bit. In the description of this video, there'll be lots of information on Joyabuy. There'll be a sign up link where you can save yourself some money when you use it. There's also a spreadsheet which has some products on there that you can go and find, or if there's other ones you want, just find the link, you upload it to Joyabuy and they will go and source them for you. But as a first item goes, I'm really happy by this one. I can't wait to see some of the other trainers that we've got. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if anybody else has used Joyabuy, please do let me know. I know there's one person who's already said that they're starting to look at it and they're waiting for one of their final items to arrive. So hopefully that arrives soon and then we'll hear what their products are like. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one.